along with these Bernina L890 free video tutorials. We highly recommend the serger classes and cover stitch classes that you can find on Crafsty. Now, if you're ready to master this machine inside and out, along with some great project ideas, these courses are ones that I recommend. One of them is actually my serger class that I did for Crafsty called Serger Solutions Troubleshooting Techniques, and where he took everything that could go wrong with a serger, put it in a class, and it turned out to be almost 2 hours long to fully understand your serger from A to Z. And it was a great experience of learning how to do an online class and all the behind the scenes that goes into all the production that they do. And they do an amazing job. Now, you can buy classes and keep them. That's one way to watch the online classes from Crafsty, but you can also subscribe to their website, and as a subscriber, you can watch any and all classes at any time. Another my favorite is the Sew With Your Serger Quick and Easy Project with Angela Wolf. And if you're looking for fun things to do with your serger, you know, that's one thing people always ask, well, where do I use my serger? And she does an excellent job. I've done a couple of the projects from this course specifically, and every lesson I learned a few extra tips. Just one more thing that you could use your serger for. And oh, don't forget, you've got this on your serger. It'll make it easier than doing it on your sewing machine. She also has one more class called Creative Serging Beyond the Basics. And because she is an apparel designer, her ready-to-wear techniques are amazing and all done on the serger. Now, since this machine is both a serger and a cover stitch machine, I'm going to give you 2 more classes I highly recommend. And again, links are below this YouTube video where you can check out all the different ones that we're talking about here. One is the Serger and Cover Stitch Fashion Details. That one I learned a ton in. And the other one is the Cover Stitch Basics and Beyond, where again, I learned a lot more than I realized I didn't know once I started watching the videos in these courses. So if you're really ready to use this serger and cover stitch machine to the fullest, I recommend that you take a look at the links below and see which classes are right for you. If you're ready to master every corner of your beautiful Bernina L890 serger, then jump in one of these classes. You'll find all the links below for you to check out, watch a little movie trailer of what the classes are about, and get started today.